1 week away from leaving El Codesa Marina, and we've decided to change our sail pack configuration. We also find hidden treasure in the boat that's been there for 13 years.
Packed, are you ready to go? This time tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you in the sunnier days. I wouldn't want it any other way.
2 years ago, to protect the sails, we had sail covers made for the main boom and the mizzen boom. Just like to say at this point, we are under lockdown still, and those of you that have noticed, the airplane in the background is some kind of utility plane that is bringing in stock to Gibraltar. We've opted to discard of the sail covers and go for a system of lazy lines and a stack pack. Sam from Amiri's Sails came along a couple of weeks ago and measured up, and now he's just here installing them.
Seem to forget about yourself, wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, and all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. That's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out. We're breathing in.
Some of you won't know what's going on here, but now that we've got the stack pack and the lazy lines, it means that we will be able to drop the sails a lot easier straight into a bag, rather than the sails falling and us having to flake them and put a bag over them. We're both getting older and just thought that this would help us, and I wouldn't feel so worried about Steve struggling to flake them and get them tied up whilst hanging on to the boot.
Looks good. Hey. It's a beautiful day and I'm going my way, 'cause I've got lots to say. It's a beautiful day. Oh. you go, see?
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on.
How old's this boat? 36 years old. So the upside of buying a boat that was built 36 years ago is that it's had previous owners that have spent quite a bit of money on certain things, and this is one of them. We've never actually got this out. It's been in a bag on the boat. The bag's been on and off the boat for I don't know how long or how many times. And what it is it's a sunshade. So it goes around the mizzen mast and ties off at various points. And what it does mean is that when it gets really hot, we have a shaded area over the back deck that we can either sit and have lunch or work, or just get out of the sun if it gets too hot, which is great and certainly will come in very handy in the next few weeks.
Yeah, we never used it in the solar.
No, we didn't, no. Excellent. That's good.
The rigging's changed a bit over the years, so some of the holes don't
Match.
but
With how the shade is actually made, but we will make it fit.
it fits well enough to give us a good amount of shade,
Yeah.
so that we can
Pull it up on that side there, Steve.
yeah, I've still got that running,
Oh yes,
got a
yes.
running backstay,
Yeah.
which on that one I've moved forward. But if we move that one forward, that'd be out of the way, and then you can kind of create this area.
Yes, good. Pleased with that. And this was the second piece of treasure that we found. We've always known that somewhere on this boat was a pack of what is cushion covers, and these cushion covers here is what I'm talking about. Let me remove those. And they had them made for all of the cushions, not the bunk cushions, but the saloon cushions, just to cover them up and keep them looking better. And they're great because it means that we can wash them as well. They were actually in a bag that had been laundered in Thailand, and it was a vacuum packed bag, and we never ever, in the 13 years that we've had the boat, we've never ever bothered undoing the pack. How mad is that? Anyway, they're on there now, and it's quite nice in the summer because it means that you don't stick to the leather underneath, and obviously it does protect the leather as well. So yeah, we're quite happy with those. It's quite nice to sit on as well.
Are you ready to go?
So that was our second bit of treasure. Oh, we're lucky.
Tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you in the sun.